Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, we are going to learn about class and object in Kotlin, and also we will see the example of constructor. So here I already wrote some code, so video become not lengthy. So first of all, uh, we will see and learn what is the class. A class in Kotlin is a blueprint or template that defines the properties and behaviors of an object. So it contains variables known as properties and functions known as method. So here I wrote one example that I will explain you. That here I take one class car that define a new class named car. Here I took two variables color and brand and define the values to red and Toyota respectively. Then I took a function drive and the print statement that the car is driving, and another function is stop. That print statement is car is stop. So both are these functions are also called methods. So at this stage no car is exist yet, so it's just a template. Now we are going to learn about what is object. So an object is an instance of a class, the real thing created from the blueprint. We can access properties and call method using that object. Let's see how it is work. So we have already take this one. So outside of class we will take one function main, and inside of this function I will take one variable my not I can say this is the object of class car. Okay, now I want to print the statement that car brand dollar, as we are taking a string template, so we have to use a curly braces. That we are using my object dot my car object dot brand, and so we don't have to waste time, so we will copy paste this one, and car color is my car dot color. So here my car is equal to car creates a new object of the class car, right? Using my car dot brand and my car dot color, we can access the properties. Using my car dot drive, now I forgot to take that my car object name my car dot drive, the function we have took about that we are calling over here, and another is my car dot stop, right? So here what we access, that we access a brand and color from the class and function drive and stop, right? So using my car dot drive and my car dot stop, we call its functions. So let's run this file and see the output. So here you can see the output that car brand is Toyota, which we have to over here, and car color is red. Car is driving, that the print statement of drive function, and car is stopped, the print statement of stop function. So now let's see how to change property values. So for that I have to comment down this function, and I will take a new function main. In that main function I will take one variable, let's take car1 is equal to car. here I made a object of class car, right? And one variable car1, using a object car1 dot color, I want to pass the value blue, and car1 dot brand, here I am changing the value of brand is, let's take Honda, right? Similar to this, we will take another object of class car, that let's take car2, and here also class change to black, and brand will be, let's take BMW, right? BMW. And now I want to print the statement that car1 brand dollar parenthesis car1 object name car1 dot brand, and another let's take color is equal to parenthesis car1 dot, okay, let's take color, right? So it is too long, so I will not waste time and copy paste this car1, not car2. Here I will take car2, and here I will also change to car1 to car2, and here also car2, right? Now it's look good, and let's run this file and see the output. Now you can see the output that the car1 brand is Honda and color is blue, and car2 brand is BMW and color is black. So what we did, the first color, we assigned color and brand of car is red and Toyota, and then we changed the property values that car1 object color blue and brand is Honda, and car object another object of class car that the color of car is black and brand is BMW. So even though both are created from the same class car, each object store its own independent value for brand and color. So here you can see that each object car1 is another object and car2 is another object of car2, so it's independently independently store its values for each object, right? Now we will see the example of constructor. So now let's talk about constructor in Kotlin. A constructor is a special function that gets called automatically when we created an object. Its main purpose is to initialize the properties of a class, which means it sets the starting values for those properties. So let's take an example. So for that, let me comment down this first. And now in Kotlin we can define a primary constructor right inside the class header. We don't need to write it separately, right? So let me comment down this one also, because we are taking a new class over here. So if I take a same class name, then it will give us error, right? So here in the parenthesis I am passing parameters that brand and return type of its string, and the another is color, and return type of its string. Sorry, there is spelling mistake over here. Yeah, and inside of class I want to take one function. That function so details. Inside of this function to print the statement that brand brand color installer color. So here class car is our class name. Inside the parentheses where a well brand return type of is string and well color return type of its string. We have declared two parameters, brand and colors. By adding the keyword well in front of them, Kotlin automatically create a class properties with the same names, right? So this parameter become the part of the class and we can use them anywhere inside it, like in the function. Now when we create an object, we can pass the values directly to the constructor. Like let me give you example that in main function, let me show you that in main function I will take object of a class car, and inside of this I will pass the values of values of parameters, brand name Honda and color name is, let's take white, right? And we'll call the function so details, right? So here Honda car Honda white creates an object of the class car and passes the Honda as the brand name and white as the color name. The constructor automatically assigns those values to the properties. So when we call car.showDetails, it will print something like a brand name is Honda and color name is white. So let's run this and see the output. Is it same or not? So here you can see that the output is that which we have talk about a few seconds ago, that brand name is Honda and color is white. So this was all about class and object in Kotlin. We learned how to define a class, create objects, modify their properties and use construction for initialization. So that's it for today's video. I will upload this code on my GitHub link and provide the link of GitHub repository in the description box. I will see you in the next video.